What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So in this video, we're going to be talking about Shiba Inu coin. We're going to be breaking down what my expectation of the coin is, the different detail that we do have, and how we actually saw a decent increase today, which is something that's refreshing after seeing it pull back from this upper level of basically 0.00008 or almost 0.00009, right? So before we get started in this, make sure you guys hit the like button. Also hit that subscribe button for more videos like this one, and make sure that you get your free stocks with Webull down below. Don't forget to check out some of the links in the description. That does help out the channel. Now, let's look at Shiba Inu here. You could see here the price is at 0.00006075, right? In the last, let's go through it. The last hour, it's up about 6%. The last day, it's up about 22%, which is definitely good. It's really refreshing. The last week, it's actually down 19%. The last month, it's up 228%. And the last year, it's up 85.9 million percent, right? This is up quite a bit over the last year. And anybody that did make those moves, you obviously made a lot of money. Just like the person that invested $80,000 and $8,000 and turn that into $5 billion, which is just insane. If you can have any movement like that, then go for it. That's great. That's amazing. I'm happy for that person, right? Now let's look at the day, right? Because we're up 23%, 23.7%. Obviously, it continues to move. We are at 0.00006 cents. Now, a lot of people are asking me, where is Shiba going to go? Can it get back to the level where it was at? Can it get to a penny? All of this other stuff. And we understand everything that has to do with a penny, right? A penny, you have to basically factor in a lot of things and get to unbelievable market cap numbers in order to see that. Now, I'm not saying it's impossible to do, because we all know about burn rate. I even have a burn video to where I'm burning off Shiba token, and I'm waiting for like kind of a really low point in order to do that, so that I can burn off the most that I can burn off. So that's going to be accumulating the amount, and we will consistently look at that or continually look at that. So it's not going to be anything that's in the background or I'm hiding. I will be as open as possible. As long as those videos gain views, we will burn off Shiba Inu for them. But I want to find the right opportunity in order to do that, if that makes sense. So anyways, we could see here the market cap right now is at 33 billion, 33.5 billion. And that's a main point that we want to take in. The reason being is because when we see it at 33.5 billion, people ask me where the market cap can get to, since market cap is a big deal. If we obviously know what the price, or we find a way to know what the price is, we can have an idea of understanding the market cap first to build what that price could be, even though you never want to back into a price. But a lot of people ask me about it. So where will the market cap end up hovering? What will happen in the next, maybe month or so? I think we'll actually see a little bit of hovering, a little bit of consolidation around these areas. It's not anything to where I think we're going to see a ton of strength right now. We might see some buying power, but it's not going to be at the level that we saw weeks ago, right? Or actually a few days ago, about a week ago, right? But seeing it at 33.5 billion, I can say we can see anything from that 25 billion level to as high as maybe a $40 billion level. But I don't think it's going to go past there or surpass there in, the next coming weeks or even month. I think we're going to see this, settle at a certain area, settle with their burn rate, wherever we end up burning off, and then we'll start to see that, change. The good thing about having the circulating supply the way it is, having the circulating supply at 549 trillion, is that we're closer and closer to no dilution at all. It's a horrible thing to obviously have the circulating supply at that high when it was at 394, which essentially dilutes the price. But we will have no dilution as we go into the rest of the existence of this coin. Now, we still do have trillions of coins that are out there to dilute the price, but it's not going to be as much as having 155 or 200 trillion. Now it's only going to look like it's around 50 or 40 trillion, right? That's not bad at all. It sounds like a lot, but it's not bad compared to basically 200 trillion. So where we stand with this, completely happy with that. I'm obviously not okay with it decreasing in price because I'm still holding it. But for my goal, some other people, their goal is to get out of this short term. And my goal is not to get out of it short term. If I can find a massive profit short term, then yes, obviously. But I'm not going to look to get out of anything 100%, even if we do have a massive profit, even if we do see it go from where it is now all the way up to $80,000 that I have in my account. You know, right now I have like $500. I don't know why this dog is barking. I have about $500. And if that grew to a level of $80,000, yes, I would find a way to take a certain portion of it, because then if it does come back, I can put it in at the lows, right? That's just saying, you know, obviously being honest with you guys, but I'm in it for the long haul. The ultimate, the total amount that we would have is all going into, they're going to stay in there, and it's going to wait until we see this get to a level of maybe even a dollar, you know, a penny, whatever that is. So that's what I'm looking at with Shiba Inu. You can see that the volume is actually down. The volume is at 16 or 17% right now, and the typical hold time is 11 days. So the whole time people are still holding it. It's not something that is going down, you know, there. The popularity decreasing a little bit, but it's still up in that top 10 range, even though you are seeing, you know, it decrease in volume here, down about 16 or 17%. So ultimately, I'm looking at this as a positive, right? Where this is going to go, I think in the next few weeks to few months, you're going to see this consolidate. I understand that you can see this fluctuate from 0.0004 or 0.000 high threes all the way up to 0.0007. I think that's where you're going to see that consolidate, maybe break through a couple of times, but I don't think we're going to see a massive increase. And if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. Obviously, that's great to be able to see. Crypto is not 100% predictable, and I don't say that I am the smartest person in the world, so I will never say that this is exactly where it's going to go. You never really know where it's going to go, but I want to look at all of the levels that I've seen, all of the different examples that I have, different forms of these large pushes, and what do you see at those moments? You see a large amount of consolidation. So this is good to be able to see 25% increase today, even on a decrease in volume. So I'm really happy with what is going on today. 73% buy versus 27% sell. So if you guys are enjoying these videos talking about crypto, talking about Shiba Inu, please let me know, because I can do all different types of videos here and actually break down a lot of educational stuff. Um, so if you guys are liking it, please hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of my channels. If you want to pick up some merch, you know, some Profit Hands merch, go ahead and click the link in the description and it'll take you there. But I'm going to get out of here, and I will catch you guys in the next video.